Hi everyone, I'm Ray and you're watching my channel Carry Me Mama. Today I'm going to share how I fold and organize my carriers. I shared a little while ago that my family and I are PCSing or moving with the military this summer. So I'm actually in the process of packing up all of my carriers, and I figured this would be a really good opportunity to go through how I fold each one in the smallest possible way to pack and or store. Thanks for tuning into my channel. So we are actually about to hit the road, and we will be on the road for a little over a week, heading back to visit our families on the East Coast before eventually ending up in Georgia. While we're on the way, we're planning to do a moving vlog, so we'll see how that goes, but I am planning to share that with you so that you guys can partake in the craziness of our cross-country road trip with two kids. My sister-in-law will actually be driving with me because we have two separate cars and we have to drive separately. I will be towing a trailer. It's gonna be an adventure, so come back for that. Wish me luck because I am going to need it. And in the meantime, next week I do have a video planned for you all that I will be sharing, so I'm not leaving you hanging during my road trip. So check back then for more tips and tricks right here. See you later.